Hey guys, welcome back to Manuel Pura and welcome to our video for the month of August. So in today's video, I'm going to be discussing with you guys all the products that I'm going to be making and showing you guys for the whole month. And yes, again, I'll be posting Monday to Friday. I'm gonna be doing this, I think, since I want to say February or April. And it's been going really well with the channel so far, and I'm really appreciating the views, the comments and the likes on all our videos. So thank you so much if you've been here and you've been supporting us as well. So for the month of August, we're going to be making loads and loads and loads of videos, different videos for our skin, our hair, our body, etc. So, and let me just give you a list of some of the things that we're going to be making. So we've got hibiscus face gel, rose face gel, bakuchio face gel, blue tansy face gel, niacinamide face gel. So these are the gels. So we have basic toner, a simple toner, a hyaluronic acid toner, a rice face toner, rice water glass skin gel. We're going to be doing a bath balm, a hibiscus face toner, a face and body wash, a rose face and body wash. So the face and body wash is hibiscus face and body wash. We're going to be making different types of face masks. So we're going to have a blue tansy or a blue clay face mask, a rose clay mask, a charcoal and bentonite detox mask, a kaolin and oat clay mask, and a French green clay mask. We'll be making 5 different types of face creams. We're going to be making a hibiscus shampoo, a rose shampoo, and a creme brulee blue colored shampoo as well. So with many other things that we're going to be making. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I make any of these things, make sure you're subscribed, make sure you're here for the month of August, smash the notification bell so you're notified when more videos are uploaded. I'm really excited for the month of August and I hope you guys are too. Follow us on all our socials. I'm really excited for the month of June. I will do a vlog for you guys as well. I'll probably show you guys the vlog of us on our cruise for our wedding anniversary, our 15-year wedding anniversary. I've been editing that vlog for so long, but my Premiere rush keep crashing, and then I decided that, as my husband's been like telling me to learn Premiere Pro, and I've been doing that for the past week or two, and it's been driving me crazy. I hate it. Premiere Rush was so much simpler to use. Premiere Pro is so complicated, but I'm learning it. And I'm getting the hang of it. It's taking me longer to edit videos, but it's getting a little bit quicker as the days go by. Yeah, so I'm also going on holiday for the month of August. We're going to Cornwall with a few of our friends and their kids. So I will be vlogging some of the things that we're going to be doing in Cornwall, exercise wise, food wise, and just chilling really for our vlog for the month of August. I think that's the only holiday we're taking in August. And also in the month of August, I'm going to do like an ingredient highlight as well for some of the ingredients that I use in almost all the products that I make. So I'm going to just show you guys what those ingredients are and the benefits of those ingredients to your skin. So that's all the videos and what is happening for the month of August. I'm not sure if I'm going to film Monday to Friday for the month of September, so you guys need to be enjoying these videos because September is going to be a really busy month, but I'm going to see what I can do. I might have to post 3 times a week if I can't post 5 times a week. Subscribe to the channel if you are a returning subscriber. Thank you for watching and always coming back and supporting our video. Follow us on all our socials, our Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn. Everything is linked in the description box below, so make sure you follow us on those social media. And also check out our website, manuelpura.com. We sell all things skincare, hair care, body care, candles, soap, etc. We have it all on the website. So go ahead and check that out as well. So Anyway, I don't want this video to be super long. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate all your support, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.